Bustling and energetic, Osaka is a thriving metropolis with a distinct commercial culture and with a regional identity that sets it apart from elsewhere in Japan. On the surface, the nation and R's third largest city may seem to lack the sophistication of Tokyo, or the cultural refinement and traditional townscapes of nearby Kyoto. But it more than makes up for these with its enthusiastic embrace of modernity. The city bursts with eclectic street culture, vast underground shopping malls and futuristic architectural landmarks. It's not a pretty city in the conventional sense, though it does have a lovely river cutting through the center, but it packs more color than most. Its acres of concrete are cloaked in dazzling neon billboards. The city's unofficial slogan is Koideor, eat until you drop, and it seems that everyone is always out for a good meal, and a good time. Indeed, this is a city defined by its people. More than anywhere else in Japan, Osakans are friendly and outgoing, and it's easy to strike up a conversation. Osaka has museums in abundance, and the city's aquarium is one of the best in Japan. Then there's leafy Osaka Castle Park, which makes a peaceful escape from traffic-filled streets.